Segmentation section allows you to track the specific goals of your bot with customized events, for example, payment or submission. With Botanalytics, you define your own events to build a completely customized analytics solution for your bot. Here you will simply select any message or interaction in or out from your bot. So, in order to start, first we need to set up the event trigger. In the event trigger field, you define the specific term that you would like to track. It can be the exact message or just a keyword. For example, thanks for ordering. Then you specify the name of the event without any blank spaces. That name will appear on the graph above. And the last step is selecting the event type. You choose whether it's an outgoing or incoming message, and if it says contains, it will track all the messages which contain the phrase or keyword you added, while other types like incoming text should be the exact match in order to be tracked. Also, besides text messages, you can pick the quick reply, template button, or post back. After you choose the correct event type, you can click on the green button saying Add Event, and you are all set. After you do that, here you're gonna see the chart and your event happenings on the graph. It shows how many times a specific event occurred. You can select the event you would like to see from the event list. And also you can select the dates that you would like to see the data changes from here. With Botanalytics segmentation, you can track the most important goals of your bot and build a better bot.